How to set a price alert on Kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can set a price alert on Kiwi.com. How can you set a price alert? Setting a price alert is very simple and it's very necessary so that you can know whenever the prices of flights change, especially for flight that you've set their dates to a further time, maybe for a week or 2 weeks from your departure time. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Kiwi.com account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you would see some options by the left side of the screen, such as the travel, cars, stays, stories, travel acts, deals, and then by the right side, you also see some options. And then in the middle of the screen, where you need to go ahead and register for your flights, you'll see different option how you can edit your site, what you want. Ensure you edit all of this, and then once you're done, go to the right side of the box and then click on search. Once you click on search, you'll be directed to the available flights to be searched for, and then you'll be directed to another page. On this page, the next thing for you to do is move to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you will see an option, right, showcasing set up price alerts. That is our focus in this tutorial. So just tap on this toggle, and then just like that, the alert will be set up. You can see a notification saying that you get an alert every time the price change. So that's it. This is how you can set an alert on Kiwi.com. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.